Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. Today I'm doing another Dutch pour with some house paints. So I've got these two house paints here which I've made up fairly thin using the low sheen Solver Sea Drifter colour which I had left over from a room in our house a while back, and this one here is British Paints Sample Pot, and the colour is Flooded Gum, which is this colour here, dry. So I just thought I'd use up some of the house paints, do a split base, and then I've got some colours for the top. I'm going Payne's Grey, I've got phthalo blue, ultramarine blue, I've got some metallics, some silver and some iridescent white, and I've made this colour up using brilliant green, king's blue and some white in there as well. I'm not really too sure about this colour, to be honest, but I just wanted something a little bit not blue and not grey, I don't know, just for a point of difference. Alright, let's get this canvas started. Alright, I think we'll go blue on this side and the grey on that side. Might go the grey first. I had thought about doing a bigger canvas, but I wasn't really sure how far this would go. Oh look, we've got a hair already. Now I did notice when I was mixing this, is that a hair too? Oh, you know what? I tried to add a little bit of the Payne's Grey to this colour. And I had trouble mixing it because I did it later. So don't do that. I did it later and yeah, it didn't quite work. Let's see if we can get this sort of shape happening. I'm not that used to split bases. Trying to get the shape that I want. So let's try spreading it with the stick first. You can see the little bits of grey, Payne's Grey through there. Okay. Yeah, there were some lumps in this as well, so hopefully we're not getting any lumps. Now to get our colours down. I'm going to start with the Payne's Grey. Oops. And then some phthalo blue. Some ultramarine blue, they look so similar on here. Let's try this colour. I'm not sure the best way to tip this one on. Just gives a little bit of a different colour. Phthalo blue again, I think. Something's going on with that Payne's grey. It's sinking. Alright, let's put the silver on. I'm going to put some white. This is my swipe mix, so this has got Amsterdam white and Australian Floetrol. It's sinking straight away. And then I'm going to put my iridescent white on the top. Oh, I feel like I need some more dark, because it's sinking. This isn't a great plan, but let's hope it turns into a masterpiece. Now, do I want to add any gold? I think we're going to leave the gold out this time, although I love using it. Is that enough paint? I think we're going to go with it. So I'm going to add, because I don't want too much paint, because then I've got to get the cracking problem. Add a bit of paint on each side. Still want to keep a bit for touch-ups. Alright, let's blow this together. Okay, so I think my base is too wet. We're going to go again with the colours. I'm not adding any more base colour. I'm going to scoop it up and push it towards the centre. This white mix I think worked well. Alright, it's not working. We're going to end up with too much paint. Yeah, it's too runny. Just getting rid of a bit of excess paint. Take it this way. Because we've got some nice stuff happening up here. So, just taken a bit of that excess paint off. actually kind of interesting. And now I'm going to do some more stuff through here. We'll make it work. This is not turning into a Dutch pour, but it is interesting. Right, I need some, I think we're going to convert to the straw now. And there's some puddles. Got breaking up here. I'm going to fix that, I think. Okay, well at least I know now that that was too thin, the base. I think the rest of it was fine. The rest of it was a bit thicker. Sinks pretty fast there. Seems to work a bit better on the grey base. Okay, here is the wet result. So I decided just to let this one dry because there is a lot of little interesting parts in it that I like. Now I'm not sure about it overall, but I want to see it dry and I want to get your opinion on what you think. So this ended up being a blow, or a Dutch pour and a swipe. And I've got some, this, I'm pretty sure that part's from the Dutch pour, that's quite pretty. And then this part's from the swipe. I've got this through here from the swipe. And I'm curious to see how the metallics go, because at the moment I can't see them. I'd say this actually through here is the iridescent white, but I don't know where the silver is, because it's probably pretty similar to the grey when it's wet. Alright, so I'll show you when it's dry. Okay, here we go with the dried result. And we've got that iridescent white up through here. Little bits through there. Yeah, there's not a huge amount. It's a little bit down the bottom there as well. But we do have some interesting stuff happening here. So we've got a bit of lacing. This is kind of mushy. I'm not sure what I think about that, but it sort of fits in with the rest of it. Oh, actually, yeah. I don't know if you can see that. I think that's some little bits of silver through the lacing. But what I wanted to show you is up here. I think they are tiny pearls. Not really sure whether that's just like cells or pearls or what it is. But this was the house paint and it was quite thin. So I wonder if that's what's caused that. This is a low sheen house paint. Yeah, it's quite. Just trying to show you the shine that really pops up there. Oh, this was an interesting experiment. It kind of looks alien to me. There's all sorts of different things happening in here. I've got some different angles and I don't really like that angle. Or that. I think this is the best way. So that's it for that one. Let me know what you think in the comments. And the paints were too thin on the bottom and there was too much of it. So I'm going to have another go without so much house paint and we'll see how it goes. We'll try some different colours. So if you want to see that, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.